up guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to get to 100 subscribers, and we're not messing about. Let's go. Ask your family, ask your friends. You've got a community, possibly at work. Ask them because they're going to subscribe to you, right? And they're friends, so they've got more chance. This should have been the #1 tip, but here we go. Create good content, create engaging content, give chance for people to offer their opinions, be engaging to others. That means going onto their YouTube, looking at new channels that are similar to yours or similar subscribers and communicating with them. If you've got similar interests, talk about them, but you need to talk to others because this is the whole YouTube idea, man. You know, you signed up to this, you're a YouTuber, so you're going to talk to people, but you need to know how to do that. You can't just jump on and say, look, here I am, come and get me. It doesn't work like that. You've got to engage, and most of all, you've got to be thoughtful when you're doing this. Don't just go onto another channel and be like, great video, thumbs up. Do something like, that was a great video. Who did your artwork and the visual effects? Are you still passionate about writing lyrics? You get what I mean? My Booyaka tip that I say right till the end is this: be a likable person. That's right. And I'm not just meaning on camera. When you walk down the street, when you're out with your friends, when you're at work, is someone going to subscribe to you if you treat them like crap?
No.
Is someone going to subscribe to you if you treat them nice and always be thoughtful and kind? Yes. Well, thanks for watching my tips on getting your first 100 subs. And these tips aren't just for your first 100 subs. They're lifelong on YouTube, and they will help you all the way through. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to sub and comment also. Let me know your thoughts and if you've got any ideas and what helps you get to 100 subs. So peace out, and I'll see you next time.
Get it real! Get it real! Get it real!